I can put my my phone right here, and then I can watch TV and then just relax and chill.
It looks super comfortable.
It is comfortable.
Hi everyone, I'm Autumn, roving reporter here at CheapRVLiving, and today we are here with Tony and his Echo. Hi Tony.
Hi.
I would love to hear about your car.
Yeah, my car is like a 2003 Toyota Echo. It's a two-door. I got it because that car is really good. You know what I mean? It saves a lot of gas, plus it's well known for longevity. So.
That's a Toyota, right?
Yes, it's a Toyota.
Oh, Toyotas are so nice. And I'm curious, tell us a little bit about your nomadic journey. How long have you been on the road?
I've been on the road for many years, off and on. The reason why I love being on the road is I like to see new places, you know, explore new stuff, you know, sightseeing many cities. And I love the outdoor a lot, and I enjoy it. And I don't like staying in the same place because I get bored very easily.
Yes, I think a lot of us can relate to that, right? Like when you're kind of stagnant in one place, you don't get to go see all of those incredible places all the time. Yeah, and so are you full-time?
I'm gonna be full-time this year because I think it's now or never, because I'm 51 years old and I'm getting old and I don't know how long I will be living in this lifetime. So now or never. And
so recognizing that finality of life leads you to maybe want to dive in more fully.
Yes, I'm thinking I need a change in my life now. I don't want to like stay in one city working on a 9-to-5 job, not go anywhere, paying rent, just to live there. So my goal is I do delivery like DoorDash, Uber Eats, so I can support my lifestyle, traveling, and live a simple life.
I've heard of a lot of nomads who do the DoorDash and the delivery services, so you can do those in different cities?
Yes, for DoorDashing you can, but for Uber Eats you can't. You can only do one city. So.
Okay, and I'm curious, what led you to choose the car over other types of vehicles?
Well, it saves a lot of gas, and the only way I can survive is I have to get a small car for the mile per gallon. The last time I ran, it cost me $100 to fill it up. And when I was working Uber Eats, I'm pretty much working for free. So.
Right, yeah, if the gas mileage is too intense, especially with a delivery service job, it just might guzzle all that gas, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what does this get? Do you know the miles per gallon?
35 to 45, depending on how you drive on the freeway and on the local road. So you just gotta take it easy, yeah?
That's incredible.
Yes.
That's really good gas mileage. Yeah, and have you lived in the car the whole time you've been nomadic?
Yes.
Well, can we take a look at your car?
Yes. Sure.
Awesome.
Welcome to my 2003 Toyota Echo. Here's my bed platform, and underneath I can do storage, so you can put a lot of stuff inside. On the side here too, and glove box, my storage units, everything. And here.
And Tony, can you tell us this bed platform? What is this?
I think this might be the shower for at the hospital that people stand up to shower in.
Oh, what a creative idea. I love this, folks. To be able to use something already made just makes for a simplicity of build.
Yes, I do have a mattress here, but it's covered up. I cover my my stuff because I don't want people to know what I'm doing.
Sure, so. For a little stealth factor.
Yeah. And this is my clothing, my blankets, everything for the cold night. I'll put it in the bag because, you know, I like it that way.
Sure, keep it all consolidated.
Yeah, and this one I cover so no one knows that I look in my car, see what I'm having. Yeah.
Sure.
So, and this is my cooler. This is my kitchen setup with all the food preparation stuff. Yeah. My water, my used water, and my drinking water. And all this extra food I contain. And this is like my window cover, everything. This is where I brush my teeth, you know.
Oh yeah.
Cheap utensil, you know, simple. Here's my pillow and mattress. I slide it back and sleep. Put my leg here and sleep here.
Oh, perfect. And we'll check that out a little bit later in the video, folks, how he sets up his bed. I see the bucket system. Is that the bathroom?
Yeah, that's the bathroom. Most of the time, I go to public restroom to poop. So.
Sure. But you have something if needed.
Yeah, in emergency, yeah. like, pea bucket,
And it looks like you took out the back seats as well, correct?
Yes, I have to. Well, so I can sleep in, and the front seat too.
How was that process of taking out the seats?
It's simple. Just get some bolt and loosen it, and the same thing with the back too.
Oh.
So it's easy.
Oh, great. So you did it yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh, and tell us a little bit about this white covering.
This, kind of like polyvinyl, covering. So let's say you go in 48 states, the cop can't give you a ticket to cover because it's not tinted window, okay? I cover my window for privacy with this, with a car cover, right? But when I'm driving, I just let it loose so I can see who's in the back.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. And technically I cover everything when I'm doing my business,
Sure.
privacy and everything.
Yeah, so you found a way to have privacy in the small space.
Yes, I do.
Excellent.
And this is my Echo garage. I can fit a lot of stuff in here. Here's my camper seats. Here's a tent. Let's say you want to go to like a public campsite, paid campsite, and they say you need a tent. So I have this just in case, so they don't tell me go away. And this is, well, I do have like a YouTube channel, so hey, I can videotape myself.
Excellent.
And this is my clothing. I have 2 months worth of clothing, by the way, okay? I don't like doing my laundry, so that's why. Yeah, everything's here. My car is pretty simple. It's like, it has a lot of stores, by the way, it's simple. And
So Tony, I understand that you have a YouTube channel, correct?
yes.
Yeah, tell us about it.
Yeah, my YouTube channel is Living in My Car Camper.
Living in My Car Camper. Check that out, folks.
My channel is about living a minimalistic life, traveling around the United States, who knows, even Canada or Mexico, who knows. But it's about me discovering new stuff I like to see along the road and, sharing it with everybody who's watching my channel. I have my portable power station right here.
Oh, EcoFlow, right?
Yeah, EcoFlow, yeah.
Gotcha.
And I usually charge it in public places if need be, like a library or a Starbucks,
Yeah, the nice thing about that particular power station, I have one of those too. They charge fast.
Yes, they do. And there's just some random bag I need to put my jacket in and so forth. Nothing special, really. Just random storage. I put everything here, poop bucket. And this one I put a lot of stuff like oil, cooking pan, any cooking utensil I use. It's kind of messy, but hey, this is all I have, the space. And you gotta do what you can, But one thing, I like it, it fit me, I was thinking maybe down the road, once things get better in my life, I might get like a van, like a cargo van, so for more space. So I won't be too messy. But like I said, if you live in a car, it's gonna be messy because it's so tiny in space. I was thinking of doing this, putting a solar panel on top. Want to see a solar panel on top? They were like, yeah, somebody's sleeping there. We gotta call the cops.
Sure, it can take away from some of that stealth factor.
Yeah. And I don't want to be a target. So I'm gonna show you how I set up my bed. I'm gonna show everything closed, water window closed, okay? So right now it's not closed, but I usually close them all.
Sure.
So that's how I set up my bed. Here it is. Here's my mattress.
All right. And is that memory foam?
Yes, it's kind of like a memory foam, yes. And I slide everything all the way up here, like that. So this is my mattress here. And see this? This is my, my bed cover. And I covered up and here it is, my bed. It's all nice and looking, everything matching and stuff. And
oh yeah.
Okay. And I'll push it in. Like that. Okay, here. So I lay down, right? And I can sleep and here it is. I can put my my phone right here, and then I can watch TV and then just relax and chill.
It looks super comfortable.
It is comfortable.
Nice, nice.
I'm 5'3", so if you're my size, it's perfect.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Tony, thank you so much for sharing your Echo with us. I think one of the things I loved about this is to see that this is a no-build car camper, and it's worked for you for a long time. Definitely. Yeah. I'm curious to hear your tips for people who only have a car and want to be nomadic. What would you tell them? Just do it. It's pretty easy. Just buy a car. Make sure it's a good car. Test drive it. If it sounds funny, don't buy it. And also, it's so easy to set up. Just take out your chair
and your back chair and make it work. You know, you do your own platform, or you can hire someone else to do it. Simple.
Right. What I loved about Tony's build was the no-build platform for the bed. That was such a great idea.
Yeah.
I'd be curious to hear a bit about what are your favorite things about living in a car specifically?
Well, the freedom. I don't have to stay in the same place with the same neighbor I don't like. And I move when I want to move. I like my freedom. I do what I want to do. I work when I want to work. You know? So technically, I'm living my life.
Tell us again your YouTube channel name.
Yeah, my YouTube channel name is Living in My Car Camper.
Check that out, Living in My Car Camper. All right, Tony, thank you so much for sharing your car with us. Thank you folks for watching. If you got anything out of this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time, folks.